Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. If it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Precious. I'm a mommy vlogger living here in France and I do different hairstyle tutorial. Please do well to check my videos and I will drop the link to some of my videos in the description box. Please guys, do well to check that out, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell notifications to get notified anytime I upload a new video.
Playing with my mind, gotta get out of here tonight.
So guys, in today's video I'll be doing this boss braid wig. I used 3 pack of expression in color 1B. So guys, what I did first, I cut the pack of expression and I stretched it out, but sorry I didn't show that part. So guys, I'm just going to put the net in my manicure head. After that, I just take my crochet pin, I cut out a little from the expression hair and I crochet it to the cap, and later I take a little again, I put it in the middle and I tied it down. The reason why I did this is the hair not to get loose or not to pull easily, so it will last long for me, because I don't normally do this every time. So that's the reason why I decided to tie it down for the hair to last a little bit longer for me. After that, I just went ahead to crochet every single thing the same way. I didn't change anything. I literally did the same thing all through. So this style is very easy guys, especially if you know how to do boss braid already. This style is easy, it's not difficult at all, it's very easy to do. Anybody can do this style. So guys, I went ahead to do the same thing all through. I've been using this closure for long. As you can see, it's not new one, so I've been using it for long. I decided to use it again for this week because I don't want to buy new closure. So guys, so what I did, I sew my closure on my wig. So guys, after sewing the closure to the wig, I cut off the excess lace at the down and so guys, that is what I did with this hair. This hair is quite simple, anybody can do this style, it's not really difficult. Decided to braid it first, so I will know why I braid it like this is for me to know exactly what I'm doing, because you know, if you are cutting it and you are braiding it, you will be a little bit confused. So I don't want that's the reason I decided to braid it before, and I just count how many balls. I took a little from my expression and I just start using it to pick it, like maybe you are making someone hair, you want to pick it with expression hair, or you So guys, this is the finished look, and it look absolutely beautiful. Like, I love this hair a lot. Like, this hair is going to be my everyday wig from now. I'm not even joking with you guys. I love this hair so much. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you are my new subscribers, or if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please I'm begging you in the name of God, subscribe to my channel, please guys. And please let me know what you enjoy most in my channel in the comment section down below. If it's the daily vlog that I do or my hair tutorial, let me know the one you enjoy most in the comment section down below, so I will do more of that for you guys. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Tonight, oh, I wanna run off and fly. I don't tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking.